comparing the numbers. The first symbol, this symbol is called as greater than symbol. Why it is called greater than symbol in the sense, it first shows the greater value. You can see the symbol will be open towards left. The opposite to it is lesser than symbol, which is open wide towards the right. Next, you have equal to symbol. So I hope you all remember these three symbols which you have learned already in your lower classes. You have greater than symbol, less than symbol, and equal to symbol for comparing the values. Now, let's move on to an example. Here you can see a question is given. Find which is the greatest number. When you come across such questions, we are going to work on with the place value chart again. So first, you see, I'm just placing the numbers in the place value charts. On the left, you have 382. On the right, it is 4,973. When you come across such questions, what is the first thing you're going to do is, first, check for the number of digits. So you're going to check how many digits are there in each number. So in the first number, how many digits are there? You have 3 digits. In the second one, you have 4 digits. So obviously, the number which has the highest, the largest number of digits will be the greatest one. So how do we say 382 is lesser than 4,972? So here, which is the greatest number? The greatest number is 4,972. I think you all understood this. I think it is an S. See, first you will check how many digits are there in a number. And the number with the largest number of digits will be the greatest. Let's move to another example. Here you can see 3 numbers are given. As I told already, we will check how many digits are there. So in the first number, you have 3 digits. In second number, you have 4 digits. And in third number also, it is 4 digits. Now, the question is, we need to find which is the greatest number. Yes? So, the 3-digit number cannot be a greatest. So, I am just taking it out of count. Now, let us go for the next 2 numbers. Now, you can notice both the numbers are 4-digit numbers. So, how are we going to compare? In that case, we are going to see the column of highest place value. Which is the highest place value here? If we start from ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand. Here in this question, thousands is the highest place value. So let us check for the greatest number in that place. So here you have 4 and 7. Among 4 and 7, which is the greatest? 7 is the greatest. So very clearly we can understand which will be the greatest number. 7,456 is the greatest number. Now look at this example. Here you have 3 numbers provided. Shall we read it? The first number is 6,382. Second number 6,972. Third number 6,456. So now we will see how many digits are there. In first number we have 4 digits. Second number also 4 digits. And third number also 4 digits. So you can see all the 3 numbers are 4-digit numbers. So we should go for comparisons now. I am taking the place value charts. The numbers are inserted. So what is the first thing we are going to do? We are going to see the highest place value column and check which is the greatest number in that particular place. Here you can see in the highest place value column, all the numbers are same. If you come under such a situation, what we will do? We will check for the next highest place value. So if it is not 1000, what will be the next? It will be hundreds. So in hundreds, you have 3, 9 and 4. Among these three, which is the highest one? You can very clearly notice 9 is the largest number among these three numbers. So obviously, which will be the answer? The greatest number will be 6972. Now, the next and the final example, I hope this will make you to understand very clearly. You can see 4 numbers are given, from which you should take and write the smallest number and also the greatest number. Now look at it. How many digits are there in the first? Just 4 digits. In the second number you have 5 digits. Third number 5 digits. Fourth number is also 5 digits. By looking at the number of digits, now you can tell me which is the smallest number. Just very clearly noticed that the number with 4 digits is the smallest number. So I am just writing it as smallest number. So now that is out of count. Now you have 3 5-digit numbers from which you should find which is the greatest. For that, first you will check the highest place value. Here in the highest place value you have 2 in all the numbers. So here the highest place value number is same. So what we will do, we will move on to the next highest place value. So here we will now look at the next highest place value. Here you have 3 in first number, 4 in the next number and also 4 in the next number. Among these 3, which is the greatest? 4 is the greatest. So what we will do, we will neglect the number with 3 and now we will check on with the next 2 numbers. So we have only 2 numbers from which we should find which is the greatest. Now when we went through 10,000, it was same, we left it. In these 2 numbers, the thousands part is also the same. So now we will go for the next highest place value, which is 100. Here the numbers are 5 and 6. Which is the greatest? 6 is the greatest. So which will be our greatest number? The greatest number will be 24,659. I hope you all understood this, comparing values and also placing comma and converting number name to numerals. Any doubts can be cleared through WhatsApp voice call. Thank you children.